Hey guys, it's Dan over at AlphaCars, and today we're checking out this 2008 Porsche Cayman S. This Cayman S was just traded into us. Has just a little bit over 34,000 miles. The owner that traded it in is kind of an amateur collector. And this thing is in beautiful, beautiful condition. The metallic paint and leather interior are in great condition. There's really no major signs of wear. He was a fanatic with getting this car cleaned. This Cayman S does have an aftermarket exhaust system. And it adds a very nice throaty punch on startup and under hard acceleration. Walking around the vehicle, it's sporting Michelin pilots, all of which are about above 75% wear. On the front there is a chip guard installed, which makes sure that this Cayman is free of any chips and scratches on the front fascia, and it looks great. It is a Tiptronic automatic transmission. Traditional Porsche Bose system. The odometer. Checking out there, just a little bit above 34,000 miles. Checking under the frunk. It's a very, very clean car. Traditional battery spot, Porsche floor mats, along with cut vinyl mats as well, and also a car cover, all included. Toolkit, checking out the hatch area. Traditional Cayman hatch. Keep everything hidden, but everything is nice and clean, neat, and organized. Free of any stains. So, if you are in the market for a Cayman S, something that you can tear up the track at Palmer on the weekend and drive to work on throughout the rest of the week, this one's definitely of interest for you. Quick walk around, show you the exterior condition. Just great, just wonderful. This Cayman S currently is located at AlphaCars in Boxborough. And if you have any questions about this particular Porsche or any vehicles we have, please do not hesitate to give us a call. 978-263-9000. Check us out on the web at alphacars.com, or feel free to stop into one of our showrooms. We'd love to see you. We hope you have a great rest of your week. Thank you very much for viewing this video.